This is a rare home with this square footage. All new kitchen appliances in this extra large eat-in kitchen. Great cabinets, corian tops, kitchen island and a pantry. This home has a new water heater, furnace, humidifier and AC. There have been several lighting upgrades in the open floor plan 2-story. Enjoy comfortable living room with great wood floors and fireplace. The primary bedrooms is larger and roomy with a sitting and fireplace and great primary 5-piece bath. There are gleaming wood floors in the loft and a full bath and 2 more bedrooms. The basement is unfinished and ready for you. The corner lot is nicely set up and has a large stamped patio and new sod. The 3-car garage is finished and the epoxy floor tops it off. This home is ready for you.